The next question is, does God exist? Wow. If Google had said yes, well, then the person, there's a multitude of people say, oh, okay, well, fine. Taking
Well,
it on that authority.
I want to say yes, but then I want to add, and there are good reasons to think so. And in my philosophical work, I've defended quite a number of reasons to think that God exists. Let me just enumerate them. Number one, I think that God is the best explanation for why anything at all exists rather than nothing. Secondly, God is the best explanation for the origin of the universe at some point in the finite past. Thirdly, God is the best explanation for the uncanny applicability of mathematics to the physical phenomena. Fourth, God is the best explanation for the fine tuning of the universe for embodied conscious agents like ourselves. Fifth, God is the best explanation of the objectivity of moral values and moral duties in the world. Sixth, the very possibility of God's existence entails that God actually does exist. And finally, God can be personally known and experienced. And on the basis of these reasons, I think we have powerful cumulative grounds for answering this question in the affirmative.